Good morning. I am waking up with my tea so that we can have our 2-minute tea. Cheers. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about how you can have a personality in your interview without getting too personal. This is an incredibly tough line to walk in an interview, especially when you don't know someone very well. One of the best ways you could share your personality in an interview without getting too personal is to share your stories. If you're sharing these stories about yourself, your work experience, your past, you're not having to get too personal. You can hold off where you want to hold off, and you're not having to directly say, I am determined, I am motivated, because those are very dry ways to say those things. You can actually share a little bit about yourself and control how much you are sharing. Another thing is to not overshare, so especially in a negative way. If you are asked about something like you have a big gap in employment and why is that? Maybe it was because of something terrible, like you had a severe illness or injury and had to take time away. Well, you don't necessarily want to share all of that, right? So you might say, I was sick, so it put me out of work for a while. However, it made me so energized, so ready to come back to work. I'm totally refreshed and ready to start again. That's one way to answer the question without getting too deep. Now, sometimes employers ask questions that they really shouldn't ask, that are very personal, such as, do you want to have kids? Are you planning on having kids? Do you have a family? What they're probably trying to get at is, are you going to want to go on maternity or paternity leave? Are you going to have to take time away? Really, it's illegal for them to ask this type of question. However, a tactful way to answer that, if you feel you need to, is, I'm not really prepared to answer that. However, I can assure you I'm 100% committed to this job if you should hire me, and I'm so excited for this opportunity. That's it for our morning tea. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.